Application of trigonometry. Trigonometric ratios can be used in estimating the distance between two inaccessible points or heights of points too high to determine by direct measurement. For the purpose of computation, we shall treat trees, hills, or towers as ideal vertical objects. We shall represent them in diagram by segments perpendicular to the ground. Unless there is a mention of observer's height, we shall always regard observer's eye to be in the plane of the ground. Let us study a few related terms. Line of vision. If the observer at the location A is looking at an object B, then the line AB is called line of vision. Angle of elevation. If A and B are 2 points such that B is at higher level than A and AM is the horizontal line through A, then angle MAB is the angle of elevation of B with respect to line AM. Angle of depression. If A and B are 2 points such that A is at higher level than B and AM is the horizontal line through A, then angle MAB is the angle of depression of B with respect to line AM. We can summarize as: when you look up, you measure angle of elevation. When you look down, you measure angle of depression. Let us solve problems based on heights and distance. Example 1. A boy is at a distance of 60 meters from a tree, makes an angle of elevation of 60 degrees with the top of the tree. What is the height of the tree? Solution. From the figure, let AB is equal to H be the height of the tree. Given that BC, B is equal to 60 meters and angle of elevation theta is equal to 60 degrees, we know that tan theta is equal to H upon B. Here, theta is equal to 60 degrees and B is equal to 60 meters. Tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3. Root 3 is equal to H upon 60. H is equal to 60 root 3. Therefore, the height of the tree is 60 root 3 meters. Example 2. Two men on the same side of a tall building notice the angle of elevation to the top of the building to be 30 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. If the height of the building is known to be 72 meters, find the distance between two men. Solution. In the figure, let AB be the building. Let two persons on the same side of the building are at the point C and D such that B, C and D are collinear. Given the height of the building H is equal to 72 meters. The angle of elevation from C is 60 degrees and from D is 30 degrees. We know tan 60 degrees is equal to H upon B. B is equal to 72 upon root 3 is equal to 24 root 3. Also, tan 30 degrees is equal to H upon A. A is equal to 72 root 3. Now, X is equal to A minus B is equal to 72 minus 24 into root 3 is equal to 48 root 3. The distance between two men is 48 root 3 meters. Let's solve exercise 4.4. Number 1. From the top of a lighthouse, an observer looks at a ship and finds the angle of depression to be 60 degrees. If the height of the lighthouse is 90 meters, then find how far is that ship from the lighthouse. Solution. From the figure, AB is the lighthouse of height 90 meters. Angle of depression is 60 degrees. Therefore, angle BCA is equal to 60 degrees. Let AC be the distance of ship from lighthouse. Let it be x meters. In triangle ABC, tan 60 is equal to opposite side of angle theta upon adjacent side of angle theta is equal to 90 upon x. Value of tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 equal to 90 upon x. Therefore, x is equal to 90 upon root 3 is equal to 30 root 3. Therefore, distance of ship from lighthouse is 30 root 3 meters. Number 2. Two buildings are in front of each other on either side of a road of width 10 meters. From the top of the first building, which is 30 meters high, the angle of elevation of the top of the second is 45 degrees. What is the height of the second building? Solution. Let AB be the first building. AB is 30 meters. AC is road of width 10 meters. CD is the second building. We take ED to be x. Angle of elevation is equal to 45 degrees. In triangle BED, tan 45 degrees is equal to x upon 10. 1 is equal to x upon 10. Therefore, x is equal to 10 meters. ACEB is a rectangle. AB is equal to CE, that is 30 meters. The length of second building is CE plus ED, that is 30 plus 10 is equal to 40 meters. Therefore, height of second building is equal to 40 meters. Number 3. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meters above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degrees. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. Solution. Let C be the point at which the kite is flying. Height at which kite is flying is 60 meters. Angle of elevation of the kite is 60 degrees. In triangle ABC, sin 60 degrees is equal to 60 upon x. Root 3 upon 2 is equal to 60 upon x. X is equal to 120 upon root 3, that is equal to 40 root 3 meters. Therefore, length of the string is equal to 40 root 3 meters.